Westermans here with a machine which has just arrived, which is a Geka Pentacrop. Machine's actually powered up. Machine's obviously multifunctional, so we're doing round bar, plate, chopping. Quite a universal machine. One of the machines which everyone should have. Just give it a quick test on a bit of stainless there, 3mm by the look of that one. Foot control operated. As you can see, nice on that. Also got a bit of bar here. Again, foot control. Run that through there. Move it back up again. Nice and quick. And then obviously do this change of controls. Little bit of tooling with this. Wrong setting on that one. There we go. On the lever. Then back again. And one little nugget in there somewhere. Machine is doing what it should do. More details available on this and others on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.